If someone is telling you to build a big online course, they are lying to you. They're selling you a fantasy from 2019. And they want you to pay $69 or $100 or $150 a month for expensive software to do it. Here is the truth. Course completion rates are between 5 and 15%. For every 100 people who buy your course, maybe 10 finish it. The rest feel guilty, ask for refunds, and never buy from you again. That is not a business model, that is a trap. And platforms like Teachable, they're built for that trap. I'm Jillian Leslie. My husband and I built MiloTree, the platform that lets you sell digital products, book coaching calls, and grow your email list without complicated tech. And I'm going to show you why Teachable is built for a model that's dying and what to do instead. The build a course and get rich era is over. There's so much free content on YouTube now. Why would anyone pay hundreds of dollars for pre-recorded videos? So when someone tells you to spend months building a big course, ask yourself who benefits from that advice, you or the platform charging you monthly while you build something nobody finishes? Here's what people actually pay for now. A $27 guide that solves a real problem today. A $97 workshop where you show up live. $150 coaching call where you actually talk to someone. Quick wins, real humans, not 12-week video libraries. Teachable's entire platform is built around the big course model with modules, lessons, quizzes, all supporting a format fewer people want to buy. And their pricing? They just raised prices and killed their free plan. $29 a month for one product with a 7.5% transaction fee. Want 5 products and no fee? Great, $69. 25 products? $139. 100 products? $309. Okay, MiloTree is built for what's actually working. Digital downloads, workshops, coaching, memberships, subscriptions, templates, and it is seriously $19 a month for unlimited products, unlimited customers, unlimited freebies, no transaction fees beyond Stripe. So let me show you. This is MiloTree. And here I am in my MiloTree dashboard. I choose what kind of product to sell. So I'm going to choose a digital download for this demo. I give my product a name, a price, a description. I take my digital file, drag it into this box to upload it. Now MiloTree's AI writes my sales page by clicking on this sales page button. I tweak the text, I swap in images, but the heavy lifting is done. I have a link now to the sales page that I share everywhere. In Pinterest pins, in emails, in Facebook groups, I DM it. When someone buys, MiloTree handles the payment and delivers the product automatically to my customer. I add an order bump at checkout. This is a small complimentary product. Or I add a bigger upsell product on the thank you page. So that $27 customer becomes a $150 customer, and it's all built in. Want to build your email list? Great, offer a freebie. Hit them with a tripwire product on the thank you page where you sell an inexpensive product they can buy. So you're going freebie to paid customer in one click. And if you're a coach, great, create a coaching product. Connect your Calendly account or your Acuity account, and that way when someone buys, guess what? They book their call right on the thank you page. Let me be fair. Teachable does structured course hosting with modules, quizzes, and completion certificates. Student progress tracking, a built-in community. So if you genuinely need a full learning management system, Teachable can do all that. But ask yourself honestly, do you need that? Or did someone tell you that you needed that? So start small. This is my best advice. Test your ideas fast. Sell something today. See what your audience actually wants before you invest months into something most people won't finish. Now, MiloTree does what most creators actually need, which is sell your stuff easily, collect payments, test ideas fast, book your calls, grow your email list, and ready? It's $19 a month. Unlimited everything. You could set this up this afternoon. The link is in the description below. Start for free and upgrade when you're ready. And if you want to see how to set up a complete digital product stack, we're talking freebie to tripwire to upsell, watch this video next.